how to smartly improve your overall assembly process, from planning to validation and simulation of your plan to creating digital work instructions directly from your CAD data, all in 3 steps. Manufacturing is challenging for companies that produce complex products with hundreds or even thousands of parts, from machinery to medical equipment to vehicles. Meet John. His company makes complex products with hundreds of parts. Manufacturing occurs in multiple locations, some in other countries, which creates language issues impacting training and quality. And there's a new message from the CEO. Competition is on the rise, and John needs to find a way to do it better, faster, and cheaper. But how? What causes our delays? Where do we waste our time? Where can we work smarter? What if we could use our 3D CAD data to improve productivity? 2D drawings are so difficult to work with. We certainly waste a lot of time interpreting them. We have the 3D, why not leverage it? But here's the problem. If you're not a CAD jockey, the model data is difficult to use for many reasons. It might as well be locked away. But what if the entire team could really use the CAD models, really use them, working on the entire virtual product, moving away from 2D drawings, screenshots, and photos? What if they could do their jobs with a complete virtual product? They could work smarter. XVL is a unique 3D format with applications that deliver a new level of freedom to enable non-CAD users to leverage these 3D assets in order to solve the problems facing the manufacturing company. XVL allows your CAD data to be used directly by non-CAD users, plan part by part, then simulate and test the assembly plan, including tooling, and then create interactive assembly work instructions for the shop floor. Where can you use XVL? Any function that can benefit from using the virtual part and product information. How do you use XVL? First, convert all of the CAD files for a product into a single XVL file. Next, author the content, for instance, planning the assembly process or creating work instructions. And lastly, publish the results. There are many alternatives: Excel, 3D PDF, our web app, and many more. And the best is that they are all free to consumers. John is ready to unlock his CAD data. Are you? Find out more at lattice3d.com/learn, where you can also download our ebook, How Manufacturers Are Getting More Value from Their 3D Models, and our XVL white paper.